friends, welcome to FreeCAD modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will understand about the polar pattern feature of the FreeCAD. Here I am recording my screen, and on right hand side I have a drawing. That's why I have kept my icon size small. You can change your icon size by going in a preferences and go to the medium, large, or extra large, so you can increase these icon sizes. So but for my recording purpose I will set it to the small. And say apply. So in this tutorial we will learn about the polar pattern feature of the FreeCAD. As in the drawing I have drawn one hole here, and we will see that how we can do the polar patterns of this hole here. So let's start. So here in a part design workbench you will get here option of the polar pattern. Okay, so click on it, and if you click on it you will see all the valid feature here, but we have to select the right features which we wanted to pattern. So the features which I wanted to pattern is a hole, so I will go in the task and I will select my features hole, and after selecting that feature I will click on OK. So if you say that FreeCAD is so smart that is automatically detected the hole, and it identifies that it is made on this circular profile, so it already selected the y-axis. It is very smart. Okay, but still from here we can select this axis manually. So I will select here y-axis, because after selection of y-axis nothing has been changed here, because FreeCAD already so smart that it already selected this axis. So if you see that number of occurrences is 2, but in my drawing I want 7 hole here. I want total 7 hole. So what I will do, I will change my occurrences to 7 and I will click on it. So if you see, it is all automatically calculated the pitch between two holes, angle between the two holes. So this is how you do pattern in the FreeCAD. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your valuable time, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so whenever I publish a new video you will get notifications.